Avaryana Rose is an American-born cheerleader and Instagram star. She rose to fame on Instagram where she uploads adorable, lingerie, and beautiful images that help her to gather thousands of followers. She was cast in the reality show Rising Fashion Show. In addition to this, she also runs a YouTube channel where she uploads personal vlogs. She was born on 9th May 2005 in Miami, Florida, United States. She holds an American nationality and her birth sign is Taurus. Name: Avaryana Rose. Birthplace: Miami, Florida, United States. Date of birth: 9th May 2005. Age: as of 2022, 17 years. Zodiac sign: Taurus. Religion: Christianity. Nationality: United States. Profession: cheerleader and Instagram star. As per her date of birth, Avaryana Rose's age is 16 years. Avaryana Rose's height is 5 feet 3 inches and her weight is approx 35 kilograms. She is a beautiful girl with brown eyes and brown hair. She also runs a YouTube channel where she uploads personal vlogs and lifestyle vlogs.